These numerical miracles from the Quran will blow your mind. The word "this world" is mentioned 115 times in the Quran, and the word "hereafter" is also mentioned 115 times. The words "heaven" and "hell" are both mentioned 77 times equally. The words "angel" and "devil" are also mentioned 88 times. The words "life" and "death" are mentioned 145 times, and the words "man" and "woman" are both mentioned 23 times. 23 plus 23 is 46, which is the same number of chromosomes a human has, 23 of which come from your mom and 23 from your dad. The word "month" is mentioned 12 times, and the word "day" is mentioned 365 times. Land is mentioned 13 times, and the sea is mentioned 32 times. 13 to 32 happens to be the ratio of land and sea on Earth. How is it that the Quran, which was revealed over a 23-year period with verses not revealed in order, has this many numerical patterns? This cannot be the work of a man. We all have fingerprints, but they are unique. Even identical twins have different fingerprints. This was known recently, but it was portrayed in the Quran 1400 years before it was discovered. But look what the Quran says in Surah Qiyamah, verses 3 to 4. Does man imagine that we will not be able to bring his bones together again? Yes, indeed. We have the power to remold even his fingertips. The Quran says that on Resurrection Day, Allah will recreate humans with all their details, even their fingertips. Today we know that those fingertips contain fingerprints that are unique to each individual. Why does the Quran, while talking about the determination of the identity of the individual, express specifically about fingertips? It is because of this that we now know that fingerprints are unique to every person. Every person has a set of unique fingerprints. Not only this, but even identical twins with substantially the same DNA sequence have their own set of fingerprints. Indeed, on Resurrection Day, Allah will reconstruct our bodies to the smallest detail, even our fingertips.